Having trouble troubleshooting common CrankWheel issues? You're not alone. Today, we'll walk through some of the most frequent problems and how to fix them so you can get back to using CrankWheel smoothly. Stick around to the end for an exclusive extended free trial offer to CrankWheel that you won't find anywhere else. First thing, if your CrankWheel isn't connecting to your customers, the most likely culprit is a bad internet connection. Ensure that both you and your customer have stable Wi-Fi or data connections. Sometimes, CrankWheel might not load properly if either party is experiencing connectivity issues. Next thing, if you're having trouble with your screen share lagging or freezing, check your browser. CrankWheel works best with Google Chrome or the latest version of Firefox. Make sure your browser is up to date and try clearing the cache or restarting your browser to see if that resolves the issue. Sometimes, outdated browsers can cause compatibility issues that hinder performance. The third thing is audio or video glitches. If you're hearing echoing or distorted sound during a call, this could be due to microphone settings or audio interference from other apps. Try closing any background applications that might be using the microphone and check CrankWheel settings to make sure the correct audio input is selected. Moving on, if your CrankWheel screen is going blank or showing a black screen, this could be a browser or system setting issue. Make sure your browser has the necessary permissions to share the screen. Also, ensure that any security software you're using isn't blocking CrankWheel's access to your screen. Another common issue is when CrankWheel isn't capturing your screen properly. To fix this, check that you're selecting the right window or screen to share. Sometimes, CrankWheel might not pick up a specific app or window if it's not in focus, so just click on the window you want to share before starting your session. The fifth thing is related to CrankWheel's integration with your CRM or other tools. If the integration isn't working, check your API keys and make sure they're correctly entered into both CrankWheel and your CRM. If everything looks good and it's still not syncing, try disconnecting and reconnecting the integration. Finally, if you're still facing issues, CrankWheel has a great support team ready to assist you. Before you contact them, try restarting your computer or logging out and back into your account. Sometimes, a simple reset can clear up any lingering issues. If you're new to CrankWheel, I've got some exciting news. You can access this software for completely free with an extended trial through the link below. Don't miss out on the chance to experience the full potential of CrankWheel without any commitment. The link also comes with exclusive bonuses you won't find anywhere else. Remember, by taking a few minutes to troubleshoot common CrankWheel issues, you'll ensure a smooth experience for both you and your customers. With the tools I've shared today, you'll be able to resolve the most common CrankWheel problems quickly and easily. And don't forget, there's an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you if you click the link below.